What if I told you one car redefined speed, luxury, and engineering forever? Meet the Bugatti Veyron, the hypercar that shocked the world and rewrote automotive history. Launched in 2005, the Bugatti Veyron was more than a car, it was a statement. Volkswagen Group wanted the impossible: 1,000 horsepower, over 400 km per hour top speed, and everyday drivability. Most said it couldn't be done. Bugatti proved them wrong. At the heart of the Veyron is a legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine. It produces 1,001 horsepower in the standard version, and even more in later models. 0 to 100 km per hour? Just 2.5 seconds. Top speed? A mind-bending 407 km per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world at the time. Despite its extreme performance, the Veyron is pure luxury inside. Hand-stitched leather, aluminum controls, and a cabin built with royal-level craftsmanship. This isn't a race car with seats. It's a luxury grand tourer that just happens to be insanely fast. The Veyron has 10 radiators, massive carbon ceramic brakes, and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system to handle its power. Every detail was engineered to survive speeds most cars will never see. The Bugatti Veyron didn't just break records. It created the hypercar era. Even today, it remains a symbol of what happens when money, madness, and engineering genius come together. Subscribe for more legendary cars, and comment below.